Well, I booked this property through booking.com and it's one of the best. As you can see, they do have your suite rooms and villas and cottages. I opted for the cottages one. And the best part about this resort is the Himalayan range, which you can directly see from here. It's like you really don't have to go anywhere to see for the Himalayan range. You can actually see it from here. And the best thing is also that you can see it from your cottage window. Like I have already taken some snaps and videos for my cottages. If you come here, then you can get to know that there are a cottage which has a bunk bed on the tops, and if you open the window you can see the Himalayan range from your window itself. So the best part of this property is that the view, of course. And talking about their food preparations, it's up to mark. And the best thing is about the services. I mean, the whoever, like the receptionist, the managers, and all the helping hands, whoever is in the property. The best thing is about that they do give you an awesome service. So this is what I have to say about Muskaan. And of course, I'm planning to visit it again. This time we were a couple, so we just visited. This is our first time visit for Mukteshwar. So I'm planning to visit with my family, friends again, maybe somewhere in May and June. And I'm definitely going to book something with Muskaan again. So hi, this is Swarnali, and this is my first trip to Muskaan. And please do come. And if you want, please do book for this property. I'm sure you won't go, depressed, or you won't have any kind of regret of booking here, because you are going to have an awesome experience.